Good morning, selamat pagi. Coming to you live from Semarang, it's the 18th of December 2022. The Semarang City Government, in collaboration with Kompas Daily and ISOPLUS, have organized today's event of the Semarang 10K 2022, powered by ISOPLUS. This is a competition that will lead runners to explore every corner of the city of Semarang. The Semarang 10K competitors will run through a route that represents cultural acculturation, historical traces to the unique architectural splendor of Semarang City. Participants will also be presented with cultural attractions typical of Central Java at several points along the race route. The concept of this year's competitive, family-friendly run is to revive the spirit of competition for runners participating in the closing event of the 2022 running competition. I'm Mike Francis, coming to you live from Semarang.